Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can add context from your Teamleader CRM to your Airtable database automatically. Now suppose you are adding context to your Teamleader CRM, or the contacts are getting added automatically to your Teamleader CRM through some forms or through some campaigns. What will happen? Those contact details will be saved to your Airtable database automatically, so that whenever you want to see the details of the customers or of the people in your team leader contact list, you can access them at one place on your Airtable database. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect team leader and Airtable automatically. Now, if you want to know how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are now on our screen. So what we have to do, we just have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect and press enter. And as soon as you will do that, you can see you will be redirected to this beautiful web page. Now here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, go for sign in. If you do not account, you can just go for sign. Now, signing up is absolutely free, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay. Now, I already have an account, so I will just go for sign in. And here, what I am going to do, I am just going to go for access now here in Pabbly Connect. Now, what will happen? I will have a new dashboard here where you can see there is an option of create workflow. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go on create workflow, and then I'm gonna give it a name. Okay. Now I'm going to give it the name Team Leader to Airtable integration. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to connect the team leader to Airtable now. So I am going to give it this name. If you want to give any other name, you can give it any other name, not a problem at all. So just click on create. And as soon as you will do that, you can see here you have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process, or when the final event is happening. So what we are going to do, first we are going to take the trigger, which would be team leader, obviously. And now here what you have to do here, you just have to select an event. Now, what will be our event? What are we doing? I just told you. If you remember, we are going to make a new contact or add a new contact here. So I'll just go and click on new contact. Now here you can see this is my team leader account, and I have some contacts here. And I'm just going to go here and I'm going to click on connect. Now, how to connect it? You can see we have an option, add new connection and select new connection. Select existing connection. Now, if you already have an existing connection connected, you do not need to do anything. If you want to add a new connection, go to add new connection and click on connect with team leader. Now here it will show you the account, and it did not show me the account because I have already logged in here and I have already given it the authorization for my account. You need to give it authorization for your account. And let me tell you, your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe, and Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data. Now what I'm going to do, when I will click on save and send test request, you can see it is waiting for the response. So what I'm going to do now, I will just go back to team leader focus, and here I am going to make a new contact. So I will just go for add contact, and here we have so many fields, but I'm not going to use them all. I'm just going to use the common ones, which is first name. My first name is Arpit. My last name is Sharma. My email is thesocialfever2020@gmail.com. Address I am not going to put. It will be really long. Mobile number, I am just going to put in my mobile number. Now what will happen? This contact which I am filling up right now here will be directed to the Pabbly Connect account. So what I am going to do, I am going to just put in a dummy mobile number here, 9876545678. Phone, no fax, website, VAT number, gender, male, date of birth, payment terms, IBAN account, BIC, SWIFT. You can fill in all the details, or you can just map in all these details here in Pabbly Connect account if you want them. I do not want them right now because I'm just teaching you. So I'm just filling out these 4 fields: first name, last name, email, and mobile number. Now I'm just gonna click on save. And as you can see, a new contact has been saved here. Arpit Sharma, email is this, mobile number is this, language is English. And when I will go here, you can see I have a new webhook response here, which is not exactly a webhook response because we did not use any webhook. It is a response which has been taken from our team leader focus. And here, what we are going to do, we are going to see the response we have. So you can see here, type is contact, subject type is contact, subject ID is this, account type is this, and account ID is this. Now you can see we do not have any name, number, or anything here for me, which is this, Arpit Sharma, email, mobile, English. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to again select our team leader in our action window. And then what we are going to do, we are going to click on find contact. Now what will happen when we will click on find contact and when we will click connect the team leader. Now I am not going to connect it again with the add new connection because I have already connected it few moments ago. So I'll just click on save. So when I will do this, you can see here in contact, it is written ashi@gmail.com. So what you have to do, you have to click on this mapping icon here. And what you will do, you will just delete this. And now you will use a technique which is called mapping, and you will take the data from this window and will put here in this field in this window. And what you are going to map, you are going to map the subject ID. So we will go here and we will select the subject ID. And now we are going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as we will do that, you can see I have all the information of the contact, Arpit, last name is Sharma, data status is active, and we have all the information, his email, his dummy phone number, gender, etc., etc. Okay. So we have successfully connected our team leader with our Pabbly Connect account. And now what we are going to do, we are going to add a new action step. And here I am going to select Airtable. But before I select Airtable here, let me just go here and open my Airtable account. So just go here into the airtable.com and my account is already present here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go here. And this is my Airtable account. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the information in this base here, which is Teamleader CRM. So I'll just open this. I've already made this as first name, last name, email, and phone number. So what will happen whenever I am going to, take the data from Pabbly Connect account, which has come through our team leader, and I will put it or integrate it through Pabbly Connect to our Airtable, the first name, last name, email, and phone number fields will be filled. Okay. Now let us see how it's done. So let's just go back here. Select Airtable here. So click on Airtable. Now after clicking on Airtable, what you have to do, you have to go to action event. And here in your action event, what you are going to do, you will have so many actions here, but we are going to create a new record. So you have to select create record here and let's just connect it. Now what you are going to do for connection, you are just going to go on add new connection and it will ask you for the token. So from where you are going to get this token. So what you will do, you will just log into your Airtable and get your API key from the account section. So just go to your Airtable. From here, go to your account section. And here you can see this is the API key. Just copy this API key, go to Pabbly Connect and paste this. This is your token. Now click on save. And as soon as you will click on save, your Airtable account will get connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now here the base ID was, I already told you, Teamleader CRM. I showed you just now. So wait a minute, let me see. Yeah, team leader, right. I am right. I just did not give space there. Okay, so this is the team leader CRM. Table name will be table 1 because we did not name any table here. You can see it is table 1. So this would be table 1. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data here from this window and it will let me put the data here in this window. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to map in my first name, which is Arpit. Okay, now last name, which is Sharma. So this is the last name. Now email address was this, the socialfever2020@gmail.com, and phone number was a dummy number, which is this one. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that the data has been sent to Airtable, and we will go here and you will see Arpit Sharma, the socialfever2020@gmail.com, and this is the number. Okay. Now let us try it for another contact. Just go for add contacts. Type in Swati, last name Sharma, email swatisharma@gmail.com, and let us give her a dummy number as well, 98765768898. Okay. Now just save this, and as soon as you will save this, this contact should be visible to us here in Airtable, but it is not. So what I'm going to do, there are two reasons. I will tell you both the reasons. First, I did not refresh it, so let's try refreshing it. And if we are lucky, we will get the data within 2 seconds, but we are not at all lucky, so I'm really sorry for that. Now why is that? Because here in Airtable, we are using a trigger called polling. Now polling trigger will take the data from Teamleader CRM and it will send the data to Airtable. But what will happen, because we are using the trigger polling, that polling trigger will take some time to send us the data to our Airtable database. So what will happen, that data will come to you within few seconds or within few minutes. I cannot say how much time, but within few minutes your data will be here. So let's just wait for 2 to 5 minutes and then let's see again if we get the information here or not. Okay, and as you can see, I have waited for about 3 minutes or 3.5 minutes, and after 3.5 minutes I have my data here, Swati Sharma@gmail.com, and this is her number. So friends, this is how you can just connect your Airtable to your Teamleader CRM, so that whenever a new contact will be added in your Teamleader CRM, an automatic record will be created in your Airtable database with the name, number, email, and last name of the person. And if you want to add other fields as well, you can add that in Teamleader CRM. It is up to you. Now, if you want to clone this beautiful workflow, you can just go to my description box and clone it in your account. But for that, you need to have an account. And to have an account, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free. And we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you. So, happy doing automation. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future. And I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.